Saving your suede shoes, the ultimate drying guide.
Hello, shoe lovers! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to properly dry suede shoes after cleaning them with soap and water. Suede is a special type of leather that requires a unique approach to care and cleaning. Get it right, and you'll extend the life and look of your precious suede footwear. Let's jump right in.
Why special care for suede shoes?
Firstly, let's understand why suede requires special care. Suede is a soft, delicate leather with a napped finish, and its unique texture and finish make it more susceptible to damage from water and soap. Therefore, while cleaning your suede shoes with soap and water can sometimes be necessary, it's crucial to dry them correctly to prevent any damage and keep them looking their best.
What's the first step after cleaning?
So, you've just finished cleaning your suede shoes with soap and water. What's next? Well, the first step is to blot away as much excess water as you can with a clean, dry towel. This action will help remove most of the water from the suede, reducing the drying time and minimizing the risk of water stains.
How do I dry the shoes properly?
After blotting, the next step is to stuff your shoes with crumpled paper or shoe trees. This helps maintain the shape of your shoes as they dry, preventing them from shrinking or becoming misshapen. Do not use heat or a direct heat source like a hairdryer to speed up the drying process, as this can cause the suede to become brittle and might cause cracking or shrinkage.
What's the final step?
Once your shoes are completely dry, they may appear a bit stiff or the suede might seem flatter than usual. To restore their soft, textured appearance, gently brush the shoes with a suede brush. Always brush with a grain, not against it, to avoid damaging the shoes. And that's it. With these steps, you can properly dry your suede shoes after cleaning them with soap and water, preserving their shape, texture, and overall look. Remember, with suede shoes, it's always better to take a bit of extra time and care to ensure they stay in the best condition possible. I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, keep strutting in style.